Seems like 2024 has just come in kicking and screaming with some of these storms across the country.
You know, it has been very active, which is very much on trend with an El Nino kind of pattern that we did predict.
El Nino.
Yeah.
And an election year.
And an election year. I know, it's a big year.
We're going to be busy.
That we are. And I'm already tracking 2 more systems in the next week that look much colder. So let's get right into it. Okay, so today we talked about that wind coming in. Of course, that wind advisory in place that I told you at the top of the hour. Wind gusts right now of 38 miles per hour being reported from our DBU camera. 42 degrees there. Beautiful blue sky, but let me tell you, it is chilly. Wind chills are in the 30s. You can see that flag there. It's blowing strong. Okay, so here's what you need to know. It is going to be warmer the next couple of days. Today we say in the 40s, but I am tracking 2 fronts. The first front will bring storms Thursday night into Friday morning, and the second front brings much colder air. I'm talking Arctic air, the coldest of the season so far, and we may even talk about the potential for a winter mix Sunday into Monday. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's talk about that first front. Here's the system that we just got rid of. It's still providing for some strong winds for us, but here is already Friday morning's front. It arrives around 5 or 6 in the morning. And let me show you what it does. Okay, this is Thursday around noon. Remember, I said the next couple of days are going to be warmer. They'll be dry. But Thursday night, we'll start to see this front work its way into areas of the panhandle. This is around 6 p.m. A few models even bring in some onshore showers ahead of this. I'm not too convinced on that. But this front eventually makes it into North Texas late Thursday into Friday. I'm stopping the clock here Thursday night around midnight into Friday morning. We start to see some showers and thunderstorms in the region. Now, this front will eventually make it across the I-35 corridor between 5 and 6 in the morning on Sunday, give or take another hour or 2, and it'll cause the potential for some strong storms ahead of that front. You see those bright colors there? Now, this is going to be very scattered in nature. This will eventually taper off, will be dry by Friday afternoon. It will be windy Friday afternoon, and it will be colder. Here is the thing, though. We could see some strong storms east and southeast of the Metroplex, and this is Thursday night into Friday morning. Gusty winds, hail the main concern. I'm not seeing this as a widespread threat, but certainly something to pay attention to Friday if you're east of DFW. We're not going to pick up a lot of rain, anywhere between 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. The 1/4 of an inch will be closer towards Hunt, Kaufman County, and to the east. Okay. Here's the breakdown of the temperatures. So after Thursday is when it really starts to get chilly. Highs will be dropping into the 40s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday night into Monday is our Arctic front, that blast of much colder air. This means Monday could stay in freezing territory the entire time. Our highs may not climb above 32 degrees. Let me show you where that air is coming from. Right now, there's a big pocket of very cold air in the plains, but I'm looking towards the north. That cold air is going to sink towards the south over the weekend, eventually making it into North Texas late Sunday into Monday. And here's the other thing. The last 24 hours or so showing a little bit of moisture in the region. So here's what's likely going to happen. Coldest air of the season, lows may dip into the teens early next week. Here's what's the possible scenario. We could see some winter precip. Again, this is still a week away, so you'll likely see a lot of chatter about this on social media. But I need you to keep checking back in with me and with the rest of the team here the next several days, because we are getting more model data every single day, and we will be better able to tell you not just timing, but also amounts. Here's one thing for sure, Chris, it's going to get very cold early next week. You want to make sure to prep your house. Don't get too excited about the winter precip just yet. Like I said, keep checking back in with us.
We will be checking in, Marielle. We will not listen to those social media chatters you're talking about.